Daniel wrote into us, and you won't believe what happened. A 60,000 pound tree fell on his house, and guess what the insurance company did? My name is Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. So Daniel wrote in, we had a catastrophic accident at our home. A 60,000 pound oak tree crashed through our house, basically cutting it in two. It also shook the house like an earthquake so badly that the house shifted off its foundation, and the insurance company didn't even come take a look until 2 weeks after the accident. What are you going to do in your house 2 weeks? Come on. It's now been 6 weeks, and they finally submitted a statement which in no way will cover the repairs to the home. As a middle-class family, our home is our largest asset, and the company, and it represents our financial security. Our future has now been compromised, and the insurance company couldn't care less. Insurance company will not be there for you when you need them. And this is unfortunate. And this is why you need to hire a public insurance adjuster like Bellator Claims, and we will fight on your behalf. We're going to fight for your best interest. When the insurance company says, oh, hey, here's an estimate for $140,000 to basically fix your house that moved off its foundation, and you need an estimate for $650,000, that's when you know to call us, right? Because the insurance company is a for-profit company, usually, or a mutual company that's trying to keep insurance rates low for their membership. But ultimately, what I want you to understand is this. If you're being delayed on your claim, denied on your claim, or diminished on your claim, meaning underpaid, which sounds like Daniel is, then you need to contact us today, because the sooner you contact us, the more options we have based on your policy and dates and deadlines in there, or state regulations. Sometimes the state will limit what your ability is based on the time frame that has gone by. And we can get involved and estimate the property properly, as well as take photos and prove the damage and get the insurance company to fully and fairly pay your claim as quickly as possible. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Let us see what we can do to help you out.